Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can fix the problem of uploading to the Windows Error Reporting Service. For more info on the subject, make sure to check out the article in the description below. Let's look in Services. Open a run box and type in Services.MSC and click OK. Look for the Windows Error Reporting Service. Double-click on it. Make sure that the startup type is set to manual or automatic. Then, if the service is not running, then click on Start. Then, Apply and OK. Restart your system and see if the problems are resolved. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.